Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be sharing an easy instant pizza dough recipe that will have you obsessed. This recipe is super quick and so delicious. I'm gonna be using ground beef and mozzarella cheese for this, and you can just see how beautifully the bread splits. Now I'm gonna start off by layering my ingredients, and I'm going to be using 2.5 cups of flour, 3/4 cups of natural yogurt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of ketchup or tomato sauce will do, some chopped green peppers and some chopped onions. Then you'll need 1 cup of grated mozzarella cheese and you're ready to go. Now for this recipe, we're going to be needing all-purpose flour, and we're going to be adding our natural yogurt in. Then we're going to be adding our salt and sugar, and we're going to knead. Once that's done, then we're going to just grease it with some oil, vegetable oil preferably, and let it sit maybe for 2 minutes as we cook the ground beef. So for the ground beef, we will just be adding it onto a pan, no oil. Then we're gonna add salt, white pepper, some soy sauce, and we're going to be adding cumin as well. Then we're going to mix this up and cook it until it really gets to that brown color that you'd love. You can make it even more brown by hardening it, cooking it for about 10 minutes, but I quickly cooked mine for about 6 minutes and it was ready. It looked as so I set it onto the side, and it was time to layer out my pizza dough. So after dusting some flour onto my surface, I'll then put in my dough and start rolling it out with a rolling pin preferably, and you can use a bottle for this. Italians say it makes it more flat, but I prefer using a rolling pin. Then I'm going to make the dough fat onto the edges, and I will just go round in circles until the dough looks as so. And now it's ready for the tomato sauce. I'm making some patterns with a fork just to ensure that the sauce gets into the dough. This makes it more flavorful. Then once I'm done, I'm just going to top up with the toppings that I have: the ground beef, the cheese, and the peppers and onions as well. So we'll go over this process about twice, adding the cheese, the ground beef, the peppers, and the onions. And once that's done, it's ready to hit the oven for about 25 minutes. It'll be done. So once the pizza is ready, this is how it should be looking. The pizza was so delicious, guys. From the crust, this was just amazing, soft, delicious. All the flavors of every ingredient I put in had cooked so well, actually baked so well. I'm sorry guys. And this is how it turned out. Magical, guys. Please try this recipe out and let me know what you think. Feel free to comment down below. Please subscribe to my channel for more recipes as so. Bye.